height up, and then read your chest up like that. The minute you read like this, distorted. And then you measure your every steps you move is exactly 1 feet. Now, no, don't push your to that limit. Use this simple. This measuring thing. More accurate, right? More professional. So you also don't need to walk 1 feet. 1 feet, 1 feet. How to walk 1 feet, 1 feet? People say. More mysterious, but we are not trying to make it mysterious. We want to make it layman. Everyone should use it with understanding. Right? So the compass school basic idea.
Why 3 feet from now?
Simple, because at the core of the earth, the magnetic, if you put it on the ground or lower than 3 feet, then the magnetic force will distort the reading.
Then surrounding you have electrical items that will also affect it.
That will also affect things. So we say that if you put it freestanding 3 feet, whatever electrical also will not distort the reading. The reading becomes much more accurate.
3 feet away.
3 feet high, not 3 feet away. With this boundary is freestanding already. Almost like called freestanding. And that is the reason why we build this box. Inside this box is this stick of paper. You know this paper pack that you write down? It's in here. There's a screw in between here which you want to segregate. Once you use wood or paper, then because it won't actually distort the magnet, that's the reason why we have this box here, specially made. So this is a little bit broken. You can see some paper inside. That's the reason. So we have gone through a lot of analysis over the years to come up with such a tool. You know what I mean? So last time you see all the Feng Shui master don't wear belt. It's either use a string so that the buckles. The buckles don't actually distort that reading.
Can it be more than 3 feet?
More than 3 feet unless between a straight line or 3 feet. Do you know that certain places the variance is as high as 55 degrees? 55 degrees. So that is how terrible the magnetic force is. So if you have anything more than 20 degrees and above, then we raise it higher to a level of 6 feet, that's the highest. Anything above 20 degrees variance on the straight line, 3 feet apart. If it's more than 20 degrees, then we raise this to 6 feet. That's the highest.
You cannot see and stand on the chair.
Yes. So if we did come across, one is in Sungai Long, that is 29 degrees different. The other one is in Ipoh, 55 degrees, near the racehorse course. Okay, you know Ipoh there's a racehorse course? You know that? Right, it's somewhere around there. So we have two different areas in Malaysia itself. The variance is so high. And normally when you have that variance, it's very, very damaging. Very, very damaging. It's not minor damage. You look healthy, but inside everything corrupted. Just like a computer. Okay? So emotionally very unstable. So compass do tell a lot of stories. And then so it becomes the core, most important tools in Feng Shui. Correct? Right? So it says that to know the facing orientation, then only you'll be able to come up with answers. But obviously today, you will also at the same spontaneously, you also learn that particular facing aspect, not only the missing corner, but I also tell you how to conduct a check with the information. Okay, then it goes into the first orientation of today. And any problem with the compass? No problem, You know how to use it? Okay? Don't put it on the floor, If you put it on the floor, don't say that both teach me, someone else teach you.
No compass to put on the floor.
Okay. So make sure you put it on the wooden table. Okay. The first orientation is known as the east orientation. You don't start from now, I start from the east. It's known as the gossip area. Gossip. So if this area is damaged, that it brings a lot of gossip. How do you damage this is orientation? After I tell you, that means that if you have a missing corner, which is east orientation, you know that this house is full of gossips. Another first thing, the house, all the occupants, and remember, internally gossiping about each other. Yeah, right? And that's why they call it gossip. They also gossip all the relatives, all the
external neighbors.
yeah. No, this one. Okay, so this is your missing corner. You are combining the missing corner. But if you are staying in a house that is facing east, then it's also known as a gossip area. The whole house, people outside people, gossip about you. If you are using a premise for business that is east, wow, a lot of gossiping also, it is damage. So that means that there is a lot of interpersonal relationship problem. Gossiping is an interpersonal relationship. They call it having the arrow poking at back or poke. This is a problem called gossiping.
Backstabbing.
Yeah, backstabbing also.
Not knowledge.
Huh? Hey, slowly, you take this one at a time. Yes.
Damage.
Damage, after I tell you. Missing corner is one of the damage. But missing corner main point is what? Internal, okay, among each other. So if it's an office internally among staff, among managers, among staff, at home, among family members. You know how to put it in family and put it in business. Now you know. So if it's a missing corner in the office, then you know, at the east side missing corner, this office has a lot of gossip.
And then if it's the whole estate, is all the neighbors and everybody.
Yeah, neighbor next door and next door won't talk going to kill you like that, eat you up like that. Just like that. And then talk, see, the day you bring a man back, you don't know what he's doing, gossiping, stay in such a place. Ridiculous, all these people. Then this is what you expect. True or not? Remember, then it comes, I go even further. East orientation will have impact on male occupants. Even more, males, any males, or to the females, no impact, or to the males. Yes, the male will start gossiping, start quarreling, start poking each other back, and then start backstabbing a male occupant. So I make it even one step further for you to know. I look at the male first. True, right? So you go even further.
Female gossip doesn't need any orientation.
Cannot say that. Let me teach you a lesson. Okay, today let me share this with you. My mom shared this with me when I'm young, and until today I still remember. But at times also I forgot. That's the bad one thing, right? Whoever you step onto, never step onto woman. That's what I'm teaching you. Today I still remember. Remember this? Okay. So you must actually tender, loving care. Anything, bring it and eat it. Okay. No, okay. No, we don't say that. Gossip got reason. This one is male occupants. The next one, remember, east orientation element is wood. This one you must remember, because the more you generate this and remember this, then in the later part of your learning, it's very useful. It's wood. Okay? Now, apart from that, it affects the eldest son. Okay, now here in Feng Shui, again, I have to segregate what do you mean by eldest, middle, and youngest. Okay, it does not mean the first son, When we talk about eldest, that means that among family members, that male occupants is the eldest. Okay, not necessarily
It's the first one.
is the first one. It says he's the eldest.